Now we will see question 4 of exercise 2.1. Let us first read the question. Question is a rectangular sheet of paper, okay, which is the shape rectangular, is 12.5 centimeter long and 10 integer 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Okay, find its perimeter. So we need to find perimeter of rectangle, because it is given rectangular sheet. So perimeter of rectangle formula we will apply, and also it is given that 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter long. Okay, long means length is given. Okay, so this is our length. This is our length, and 10 integer 2 by 3 centimeter wide. So this is our breadth or width. Okay, width also, breadth also. So this way, this information is given to us. Find its perimeter. First of all, whatever is given, that we will write down. So length is given. Length is given 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter. 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter. Now as you can see, this is mixed fraction. Okay, so we will convert it. यहीं पे उसको convert कर लेंगे, so that our calculation becomes simple. So we will convert it. So 2 12s are 24 plus 1. So 25 by 2 centimeter. This is our length. Now breadth is given to you. Breadth is given to you how much? 10 integer 2 by 3. So 10 integer 2 by 3 centimeter. This also we will convert in the beginning, so that calculation becomes simple. So 3 tens are 30 plus 2. So 32 upon this 3 centimeter. So length and breadth is given. Okay. Now moving ahead, perimeter. So we will find perimeter of rectangular sheet of paper. Perimeter of rectangular paper or sheet of paper. Statement you can write in your own words. Okay. So perimeter of rectangular sheet of paper. Now the shape is rectangle. Okay. So we need to apply formula for perimeter of rectangle. And what is perimeter of rectangle? 2 times length plus breadth. This is our formula. 2 multiplied by into bracket length plus breadth. This is our formula for perimeter of rectangle. Okay. Here we are talking of rectangular paper. The shape is rectangle. So 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So now we will move ahead. So 2 multiplied by length. Now what is our length? See, length is given. You just need to keep the value of length and breadth and solve it. Length is given 25 upon 2 plus breadth. Breadth is given 32 upon 3. 32 upon 3. So length and breadth we have kept. In place of L, we have kept its value. In place of B, we have kept its value. Okay. Now, this is just addition of fraction by taking out LCM. They have given in the form of word problem. Let us solve it. So it will be equal to, we need to take LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. So 2 multiplied by 25 by 2. 25 by 2. Leave some gap because we need to multiply this fraction, and here 32 by 3. Okay. LCM of odd and even number. 2 is even number and 3 is odd. So odd and even number, if it is given in the denominator, then LCM directly we get it. 2 3s are 6. Or if you don't know, you can take out by this method what previously we have seen. 2 1s are 3 same, then 3 1s are this one same. So multiplying these both, so LCM will be 6. You can do by this method. Or this is shortcut, that odd and even number अगर दिया है denominator में, this is odd and this is even. So directly you need to multiply, and that is again always odd and even is not applicable. You need to see that number should not come in any table. 2 के table में 3 और 3 के table में 2, they should not be multiple of each other. Or you can keep in mind prime numbers. Okay, denominators should be prime, they should not come in any table. Then directly you can multiply. So LCM is 6. So 2 how many sides? 6. 3s are. So this first fraction we need to multiply by 3. 3 how many is 6? 2s are. So this we will multiply by 2. We are doing it here only in the bracket. Now 2 multiply by bracket 25 threes are. What is 25 threes are? If you don't know, you can multiply here or you can do orally also. 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. So 75, okay, plus 32 2s are. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6, 64. Here also 6, here also 6. Denominator is same. We have taken out LCM. So directly you can write whole upon 6. Clear? Now always first solve bracket. Don't do any calculation with this 2. That you can do later on. But first we need to solve the bracket. Or if what you will do, multiply 2 into 75 then plus 64. That will be wrong. Brackets are given. So first we need to solve the brackets. Always whatever is given inside the brackets, वो पहले solve करना है. Then with outside part. Okay, so 2 multiplied by, add up this. So 5 plus 4 will be 9 and 7 plus 6 will be 13. 7 and 6 is 30. So 139 upon 6. Now bracket is solved. We have added. So our answer is 139 upon 6. Now we will solve this. You know how to multiply fraction with whole number. That also we have seen in previously. So 2 1s are and 2 3s are. These both can be cancelled. Now what is left over here? 139 upon 3. Now 139 will come in the table of 3. You need to check out. 3 के table में आएगा. Here we have 3. So how to check for 3? Divisibility rule you can use for checking. So sum of the digits. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 and 9 13. 13 we are getting sum of these digits. 13 आता है 3 के table में? No. So these both cancellations not possible. So our answer is 139 upon 3. Now in question length and breadth was given in mixed fractions. You can see both were in mixed fraction. So our final answer, perimeter answer we got. This is also right, 139 upon 3. But it would be better if we write answer also in mixed fraction. So 139 3 से आपको divide कर. So 139 upon 3, we need to divide this by 3. Okay, 139 divided by 3. So 3 4s are 12. 3 minus 2 will be 1 and this 9 we will take over here. Now 3 6s are 18. So 9 minus 8 1. So this 1 is left out. Now write it in mixed fraction. This is our answer. As I told you, first quotient, then remainder, and then we need to write this divisor. Q R upon D. Remember this. So what is our Q? This part. 46. So 46 and R. What is our remainder? 1 and divisor is 3. So this is our final answer. 46 integer 1 upon 3 centimeter. So our answer of perimeter will be this. 46 integer 1 upon 3 centimeter. Okay. If you write till here 139 upon 3, then also it is correct. But in question it is given in mixed fraction. So if you convert final answer also in mixed, it would be much better. So 139 upon 3 is our answer, and if we convert to mixed fraction, 139 3 से आपको divide करना है. So it will be, this is our quotient. So 46 integer 1 upon 3. If you check this 3 into 46 plus 1, you will again get back to this. So this is our answer of perimeter.